In this video, we are going to take a look at how we work with loops and arrays. It is very common that we work with loops and arrays together because arrays hold data in a specific order, and often we want to do something with this data, and then it is very practical to use a loop to loop over the array and access every data point in the array and do something with it. So in this example, we are going to take a look at how we can use a loop to add data to an array. So let's start by creating an array. We will use the keyword let, and I will name the array my numbers, and it will be assigned an empty array. Now let's create a variable that we will use in our condition, which we will call counter, and it will be assigned the value 0. And now we can create our while loop, and we will use counter in our condition, and we want to add 5 values to the array my numbers. So the while loop will run 5 times. So the condition is that the while loop will run as long as counter is smaller than 5. And in order to add data to the my numbers array, we will use the push method on the array. So I will use the name of the array, my numbers, and I will invoke the push method on it. And the value that you add between the parentheses here will be added to the array. So we will add the value of counter, but we will double it. So we will add the value of counter times 2. So this is the values that we will add to the array my numbers. And in order to stop the while loop after 5 runs, we will increase the value of counter on every run by 1 using the ++ operator. So now if I save this code, I can run it in the browser. There will be no output because we haven't printed anything, but we have an array that holds 5 values, which are the double of the values that counter takes on. And in the next video, we will use a while loop to print the data from the array.